Good morning. We gone today skiing, snowboarding in Snowball, Flagstaff. Sabata. Big dog. One hour dog. 1 hour husky. Where?
Yes.
In the back? No. Кошка. Попугай. Птица.
Мышь.
Okay, right now we're going to take our breakfast. Our breakfast in a cutie breakfast.
Wait, which one do you want?
No, of course, this one. Hey, we just came to Snowball, Arizona, Flagstaff. It's only couple trails open, one lift or two lifts, but it's good.
She's wearing gray. No, but it's hot.
Okay, you wanna this one? So
Right here.
you
My
do.
school.
Your
My
school,
school's right
your
here.
school. Go,
We go to school.
go to school, learn everything. Okay.
And then when I'm done, you're gonna see me past you.
In the middle of mountain, our lift just stuck, so it's a little bit high. But anyway, what's better for you, snowboarding or skiing, if you not even start yet? I think snowboarding a little bit harder to learn because you stuck in one board. If you thinking what's cheaper, so cheaper is gonna be snowboarding. Also snowboarding looks cooler, like people thought. And my opinion, my suggestion, get the glasses, because it's gonna be much easy with a glass, learn couple days basic stuff and feel more safe and secure when you go up to the hill and they start skiing, snowboarding, and then you can spend all day for takedown, just slide down on their butt, because it's afraid for them, it's hard to ski and we got lunch. Burgers, French fries.
I eat better than you.
That's why important get a class, because other way you just going to walk down from up the mountain to the bottom. So it's happened a lot of times when people doesn't take a classes. So even some classes over here in Arizona Snowball, just basic classes for free. You don't need to pay anything, it's just free. They just teach you basic stuff, and it's a group class. You can get a private class in Arizona, it's $500. If you decide to do snowboarding is gonna be cost for you around $1,200-$1,500. Most likely, like for beginning, snowboard is gonna be like $400. Boots is gonna be like $200. Bindings is gonna be $200. For skiing is a little bit more expensive. The ski is $400. The boots like $300 poles $100, bindings $200, so it's a little bit more expensive. It's gonna be around $1,500, $1,800. So just keep in mind, skiing a little bit cost more than snowboarding. I have a question. Why you choose a snowboard?
Why do I choose snowboard?
Yeah, because I just make you know.
Skis are for babies.
Really?
You don't know how to learn how to ride.
It's much easier to ride to skis, right?
Yeah, way easier.
Yeah,
You can ride both, right?
yeah, I learned first snowboard, but then I start filming, so it's much easier filming than the skis.
Bikes or no?
Mountain
Have you ridden
bikes?
dirt bikes or mountain bikes?
Yes.
I've heard it's very similar, like skiing. Like you always have to weight your outside foot.
Yeah.
I raced motos for my whole life. So like I've never skied before, but I've heard it's very similar. Like you weight your outside foot like you do in trances.
Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, it's not hard.
Yeah, when you come from like a skateboard background or like surfing,
Yeah.
it's a lot easier than just to do it if you don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
So skis for babies?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I like say, and I say people like snowboarding like looks more cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snowboard's fun. I've actually never skied. My brother's really good at skiing though.
Don't forget about ski pass, because ski passes is very, very, very expensive. It's the most of the expensive passes, like ski passes in the United States than the other countries, and it can be like from $80 open season to $200, like in an Aspen something. Yes, $200. So makes sense get a year pass, which is cost like $1,000, $1,100. It's an epic pass or icon pass. Just choose mountain what you like more and get the year pass if you like ski, like let's say 7 more times in a year, and it makes sense. Okay, we finished our first day skiing, snowboarding, and we just came to our house, night house. We're gonna sleep in this beautiful wagon. Let's go take a look. Shower, small shower. So cool. So beautiful house. That's our place to spend this night. We have a beautiful view on the mountains and
Coffee. Here we coffee.
okay, we're gonna, for dinner today is a coffee. Only coffee and chips.
Yep.
And haleb bread. So that's what we have. We got a guest in our house.
Good one. Robert.
If they trying to write in Russian, it's not откуда вы. I don't know what's a kind of language. It's should be откуда, откуда вы. So maybe it's just now Russian. Anyway, we are from right here, Khabarovsk. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. You're very hungry. Snowball, Arizona. Yes. Right now I'm gonna show you where in the snowball you can take a classes. It's over here. This is the guys with a jacket ski snowboarding school. So if you want to learn, you just come to this small hill and try to learn. Hello. If you cannot decide what's better for you, ski or snowboarding, you can go ski resort, take a classes. First, like just rent snowboard, take 1-day classes, feel how is fit for you, and take a classes for ski. Just rent it, you can even change. You just rent snowboard, like half day, you fill it, you try, and after lunch, half day, you get the ski, and that's it. It's a little fun for children. They're just learning how to ski, and then they just like playing in the snow. That's really cool, huh?